Welcome back to my channel. It's TheBritneyB. If you're new, hit that subscribe button right now. Also hit the notification button. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. So today's video is a little bit different from my typical wig videos. As you can tell by the title, I'm going to expose a huge secret on how to make money online without any, this is no surveys, no signing up for anything, nothing like that. It's actually very legit and it works, okay? As you read in the title, I made over $700 in this app very quickly, so it works. I'm going to give you my tricks, I'm going to give you my little tools, and I'm also explaining to you why me giving you my tools won't affect me. But before I get into that, I'm going to give you the reason why I'm doing this video. First of all, everybody always asks me, what do you do? I don't know why y'all so interested in what I do, okay? Nothing. No, but seriously, I always get videos, I always get questions on like, what is my job title? And I just always say, I'm a student and a hairstylist because why? But to give y'all an actual answer, I do not have a job. Well, I don't have a job where I clock in at. So the next question would be, are you a gold digger? Because I've heard that multiple times. I'm like, what am I giving off that I am a gold digger? Because my hair look good. No, but seriously.
Now I ain't saying she a gold digger, but she ain't messing with no broke niggas.
No, I am not a gold digger. I'm not sure why y'all keep saying that. Not on YouTube, but different places. So it's just weird to me, okay? If I was a gold digger, I would be in a condo driving a new Mercedes. But since I'm not, let's get that out your head, okay? So anyway, I'm getting off subject. Anyway, I am a student. I'm currently getting my master's in like 2 weeks. I'm currently in student teaching, so I can't work anyway because student teaching takes up a full day. So with that being said, and I also substitute teach sometimes. But I have a lot of side hustles, and today I'm going to give you one. For y'all who already know, I do hair, so that's like a major source of income. I do hair. But I also look into all kinds of things online because I like to be at home. I feel like when I clock in, I don't know, I just feel like work just stresses me out. I hate being under somebody else's, just always watching me, asking me what I'm doing. I hate looking busy, like that, all that irritates me. I don't want to look busy. I don't want to be told what to do. So with that being said, I just search stuff to like, you know, I've been like this since I was little, like hustling, finding different ways to make money. Everybody like, get a job, but like, leave me alone, okay? Anywho, so let me get into the point of this video. So on this video, I'm going to show you an app, only one app. It's not going to be multiple apps unless y'all want another video later. But one of my hustles, which has worked for me very well, I've made over $700 in a very short amount of time. I'm not going to tell you yet so you can keep watching. But anyway, it's just by selling stuff, like just like everybody else do. But if you're thinking, I don't have anything, let me just tell y'all, it's Macari, Macari.com. But before you like, oh, Macari, whatever, bad reviews, I'm going to go into the cons and the pros. I'm going to do cons first and then the pros, okay? So with Macari, the only thing that I do not like about it is it takes them, you have to wait for them to rate your item before you get paid. But we'll get into that in a minute, okay? So for Macari, all it is a selling app. All you do is put something that you already have, like at your house, out of your closet, and just pretty much post it and sell it. Now, I always choose to mail my items through them, so I include a free shipping on my items so that people don't have to pay for shipping, which means I have to pay for shipping, which is a little bit cheaper, but I don't know if it's really cheaper or not, to be honest. So, for instance, if you have an iPhone and you want to sell it, you can sell it. If something's wrong with the phone, don't sell them bad stuff. But say they buy the phone and change their mind, they want to send it back. They do have an option to send the item back, which is annoying. But the good thing is if they don't say anything within 3 days or send your item back, the money is yours. Once the money is deposited on your account, you're able to just deposit to your account as long as it's at least $10. So I'll show you a picture of how it looks right here. You can see how it goes or whatever. So with that being said, I know you're thinking, well, I don't have things like an iPhone. Say you don't have an iPhone, or maybe you don't have an expensive bag or something like that to sell on Macari. This is where I come in and give you my tip, okay? So what I do, they like name brands. So of course, a popular name brand, of course, it would be like expensive stuff like Louis Vuitton, Gucci, stuff like that. You don't even have to do that. What you need to do is go to a Salvation Army, and I don't even say Goodwill. You can go to Goodwill, but Salvation Army has like, it's cheaper than Goodwill. Like I found items for like $2. This if you want to make it a serious side hustle. Go to Salvation Army and only pick up name brands like Nike. I found like so many Nike shirts for only $1, and I get on my car and I'll sell it for like $15. And that's how it'll work for you, because whatever's in my Salvation Army store won't be in your Salvation Army store. So go to like, get Nike, get Adidas, get Puma, get everything, all those kind of brands you see. I see a lot of coffee mug brands too on there. So whatever brand you can find at the Salvation Army that you don't want to keep for yourself, so buy all sizes, kids, men's, women's, buy all sizes, and then just take it and post it on Mercari. The easy thing about it is you don't have to find an audience. The audience is already there looking for what you have. The bad thing is that damn fee. The fee is like, that part irritates me. So I make sure I put enough to cover my fee and my shipping. But I don't want to be too high, but you don't want to be too low. Like somebody will send you an offer for like $5 and you're going to make $1. That's no point. If you're going to have to sell something for $5, don't post it on Mercari. There is no point. Okay? So, what else? I have my Mercari store link below too if you want to go look at it. I also have a code for y'all on the screen. So, Mercari. The only bad thing about it was one time I took my stuff to USPS and they switched my items. I was sending something back to Amazon, and I was also sending somebody's package off, and they switched it. They put the labels on the wrong thing, so I didn't get paid for like 4 weeks, which was super annoying. Okay, but other than that, it's little stuff like that, like maybe not getting paid until because if they don't rate you after you sell it, it's really annoying. You have to wait 3 days until you get your money posted, and it has to be at least $10 before you can deposit your money. So that's the only thing that's kind of annoying. But what else am I missing? You can try OfferUp, but I'm not going to go in detail about OfferUp, because OfferUp, you have to meet them, and like the whole point is I don't want to meet you. Like, not to be mean, but I just want to sell my stuff and move on. I also don't want to post 100 times. I want you to search it, and then that's it. So Mercari works for me. So go to your local stores. If you find something on Facebook Yard Sale, if you find something in the Salvation Army, which is what I recommend, go ahead and use it and put it on Mercari, and only buy name brand stuff, because people search for name brands for a deal. If you get samples, like Samples perfume or something like that for free, sell them on Mercari. I bought samples from Mercari because I want to see how something smells without me spending a lot of money. And on the flip side, Mercari, you can really shop on Mercari because there's like so many brands on there for cheap, because people just selling it from their house. But be careful not to get scammed. Sometimes sometimes they don't catch the fake stuff on there. So if something's being fake and it's sold, you can catch it really fast, but check in the first 3 days or it's not gonna matter. Okay? So that is how I made over $700 in a short amount of time on the internet. Any other tips? I'll probably give y'all a tip on what I do, side hustles every week. And if you have any questions or any comments or any kind of videos you want, make sure you let me know and comment below, and I'll talk to you guys on my next video.